Hello everyone, yes, welcome to another video. It's been a while since I did a video, but now I'm back ready to give you a recap of what happened last week and what I expect to happen in the coming weeks. First of all, I don't waste much time, let's go over to the dollar index, DXY. You can see that the dollar index has been sort of a triangle, has been coming down small towards the apex. I expected that it would come here and form a typical head and shoulder, but it didn't. It rejected this trend line. Now you can see the dollar going up. It didn't get to the top and rejected. You can see it goes up to give dollar strength to make the likes of them go weaker. EURAUD become weaker, pound USD and others. They start to fall since the dollar is strong. If we go over, okay, let me go to the 4 hour time frame. We'll see it clearly there. We'll see the range. 1, 2, 3. It went up. Formed this formation here, almost like evening star, but it's supposed to push further up, come down before taking a break to one direction. Don't know which direction it's going to be now. Either the up, but anyway it goes, we're going to be able to follow it, to wait for a break first, a retest, then we go in direction. But also be careful for the break. We break out here just to want people stop loss and cash buyers, so break it down to want stop loss and cash sellers in the market. So be careful, watch carefully, let market give you a clear direction for a jump into. Okay, let's go over to the NZDUSD, and AUDUSD. Gave good sniper trades on this thing yesterday. I think yes, Thursday night. So the break off Friday. We can see this formation. I like this formation very well. The ABCD formation. We saw that this was a downtrend. Then price reversed. How do we know price has reversed to uptrend? It couldn't break this low. It came and formed a higher high than this. Came here and couldn't break this low either. Now it has gone and formed higher high, so with that price in an uptrend. But I saw that this place as a good sell opportunity. Why? We can see that price is in this channel. Price has been going up, down, up, down, up. Then for the ABCD formation, we see from this Fibonacci here, if we take from this point to this point, then we go to forward so you see clearly. And see, if you take Fibonacci from here to here, price came and just exactly rejected the 0.618 region perfectly and is going back up and formed higher high. I saw that this was after the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth, so it's a very good opportunity to sell. That was one reason. The another reason was drawing our Fibonacci from this point. Okay, let me do this first one. Drawing our Fibonacci from this point to this point, taking it as our high. This was almost like a double top. You can see that price rejected a little bit, then came to our 0.27 extension. They see possibility of price getting up to here to form the delay properly, but I saw this as a good selling opportunity since number one, this was a channel, the top of channel, and the 0.27 extension. Price can still come up to the 0.61 extension or the delay since we're in an uptrend. But I took a sell here, a very good trade now, and this risk-free stop loss at entry will allow the trade to move and while collecting partial profit as trade goes on. So that's that for NZD. I expect price to still come to this point. We might take profit. If price goes up to here, I'll look for another selling opportunity. If I see any formation, yes, in fine buy towards this place, I'm going to buy up to this point again. But for now, I'm in a sell, waiting for price to come gradually to this point. This sell is risk-free and the opportunity to take another sell is here. Be patient, don't rush into a trade just like that. Let's go over to the AUDUSD where we see a similar formation. We see another formation A, B, C, D. What happens AB should happen in CD. Yeah, A, B, C, D. What happened in AB should happen in CD. Yes. So you can see that it didn't get to our D. This is the same length as this. This trend line is the same length as this. It didn't get to our D, but drawing our figure from here, it got to our 0.27 fib extension. We can also see, I've not drawn it, but let me see whether there's a channel here. Yes, somewhat a channel. Take this 1, 2, almost broke out. This is another risk-free trade I'm going to say here, expecting price to come to this place. Also putting in mind that this is an uptrend already. This would be where I should expect price to come to. I should expect price to come to this point. Anything making price to break this low is dangerous. I should expect price to come to this. Price comes here, price might, if it wants to reverse to a sell, I watch price come back up. I will not just enter a sell if price comes here. I want price to retrace back up at least to this point again to form maybe a shoulder, head, shoulder before taking a sell. But I see price going to copy D. The main trend is uptrend right now, but I'm going to sell, hoping for price to come here. If price goes up to this point again, I'm going to look for a good position to enter a sell again. This also is psychological number, a round number. So let me go to, that's that for gold. I'm holding my sell, it's risk free. Looking at what this says, I see a good reason to continue the buy. It's uptrend. Okay. Gold, I got in a sell there too. Very good sniper sell. As you can see, still there. We had news, USD news on Thursday night that pushed space very well. Gold got to the, this was the point to take sell. This extension here, this 0.2 extension, I actually took a sell here, hit my stop loss at about 40 pips, so the point to take sell, but it got to this 0.618 Fibonacci extension and put a stop loss. For gold, you have to put your stop loss very deep. This is about 100 pips stop loss, take profit about 140 pips. Actually exceeded. Okay, I put this one, this should have been TP1, considering that there's support here. On that point, on that take profit would have been here. This is another support, 1, 2, but price beat that. Price went close to 300 pips sell. So this is also an uptrend. You should expect that price can still go up. Price can still go up or come down to this point first. Come down to 1415, but don't get into a trade. If you want to get into a sell, wait for price to come back up very well before you get to sell. If you're looking for a buy, it's already forming like a buy. It's already given requirements for buy. You can see one rejection here. Wait for it to come back again and see another rejection before you enter the price. Is always going to give you another opportunity to enter the trade. The next pair I'm going to look at is the EURAUD. I called this pair also sell. Call it a sell because I saw another ABCD formation. A, B, C, D. That was one reason why I call it a sell. If you go to daily, you start from daily. Okay, the first reason why I call it a sell, but I saw shoulder, head, shoulder formation. I saw that price rejected here and came down here and broke the neckline. So I waited for a retracement up to continue this sell. This is the neckline, this line. Price closed below it, form another candle below it, went back up to retest this and resistance, then came down. That was the first reason. Second reason was the ABC formation. I'm expecting price to get here. I'm expecting price to get there, so I will have a buy around that region, around this region. Expecting price to get there. Buy, you take off, keep. Expecting price to get there. So that's how to watch for this different confirmation. The daily, you have stuff from weekly, monthly. Look at where is the trend. It's still downtrend. There's opportunity buy around there. It's going to give opportunities for buy. This trade is also risk free. I entered around here. Stop loss was moved to entry. So let's watch carefully. Wait for price to get around here. I think we are in a support now. Don't just enter. Price is going to give another. Price rejected this support. For loss, okay, you can wait for this point before entering any buy. I'm going to wait for that's the major support I see. I'm going to wait for this region before entering any buy. Let me highlight it very well. So alliance, if you see on the daily, that support alliance is where the D leg is. I'm going to wait for that before entry buy. I'm gonna set it pending order here. The enter buy. Stop loss should be about maybe 40 pips from the previous low. They use a good risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio is what 6.48, so that's very good. So the trade, let's go to the EURNZD. Sorry, for the EURNZD, we can see that price already got to our D leg. I've already put a buy right now just around my entry. I don't think it's a profit. I had this sell from me. I'm still doing this sell. I had this sell from me. I'm still doing this sell. That's how you trap the market, buy and sell, put up again. So you are always in profit no matter how it goes. I'm expecting price to buy today since I got to the D leg. This is a psychological number. Let's see how it goes from there. Watch out next week. Watch out for your news. Watch out for your this thing. Always put your stop loss. Don't rush the trade. Trade is going to, if you have a or look for a buy, it's going to give you another entry to enter. Don't just rush. Wait patiently. Goodbye everyone. See you next week. We're going to have a profitable next week. Those are the pairs I'm on: EURNZD, EURAUD, gold, AUDUSD, NZDUSD. Yes. Thank you very much. God bless.